Research shows that less than 1% of people can solve these next two riddles. Here's the first one. What word begins with E and ends with E, but only has one letter? Pause and think about it for a moment. Are you ready with an answer? The answer is an envelope. The envelope starts with E, ends with E, and contains a letter inside it. That was kind of silly. Okay, here's the second riddle. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile, and I'll always smile back. What am I? When you figure it out, let me know your answer in the comments below. I'll be checking to see who gets it right. And don't forget to follow In the Riddle for the best riddles posted daily. Thanks for playing.